I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix rust on your Jeep Wrangler. First, carefully inspect your vehicle to determine the type and severity of the rust. Surface rust, which is just on the paint, is much easier to tackle than deep, penetrating rust that affects the metal structure. Pay close attention to common problem areas such as the fenders, door hinges, and the undercarriage. Understanding the extent of the damage is the crucial first step in a successful repair. Once you have assessed the rust, it is time for thorough preparation. Begin by cleaning the affected area with soap and water, ensuring all dirt and debris are removed. Next, use a wire brush, sandpaper, or a grinding tool to remove all loose rust and flaking paint. Aim for a smooth, clean metal surface. Finally, degrease the area with a suitable cleaner to ensure optimal adhesion for the next steps. With the surface prepared, it is time to treat the remaining rust. Apply a rust converter directly to any stubborn rust spots. This chemical reaction neutralizes the rust and creates a paintable surface. After the converter dries, apply at least 2 thin coats of a high-quality rust-inhibiting primer. This primer provides a crucial barrier against future corrosion and ensures excellent adhesion for your top coat. Allow adequate drying time between coats. Now for the finishing touches. Apply several thin, even coats of automotive paint that precisely matches your Jeep's color. Allow each coat to dry according to the manufacturer's instructions. Once the paint is dry, apply 2 or 3 coats of a clear coat for enhanced durability, shine, and protection against the elements. Remember, regular inspections and prompt attention to new rust spots will keep your Jeep looking great for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.